Hey guys, welcome to Mel Production Service. Today we will be discussing about a component of a computer that I showed in the previous video, which is a motherboard. In this video, we will be explaining what is a motherboard and how does it works, and also the importance of it. Before we get deep into more information, I would like to ask, what is a motherboard? A motherboard is the main printed circuit board, PCB, in a computer. The mother is a computer's central communications backbone, connectivity point. This means it is what connects all the components of a computer. Motherboard can be found in virtually all computers, especially desktop and laptops PCs. Okay, now we get on how does it works. The motherboard is a vital bit of kit that acts as the central hub, connecting up all the other hardware components within a computer. It's a platform for essential components such as the CPU, Central Processing Unit, GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, RAM, Random Access Memory, storage devices, and lots of peripherals. This means it allows components to talk to each other. Without it, none of the computer pieces, such as the CPU, GPU, or hard drive, could interact. That's all for today, so in the next upcoming video, I will show all the components that are connected to a motherboard. Thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to click the subscribe button. See you on the next video. Thank you.